Morning, it's 28th of December, cold, horrible, foggy morning, and I went out in the Jeep the other day to do move a tree, to get rid of a tree should I say, and then when I pulled up petrol station, my starter motor decided to pack up on the Jeep. So this is the new, it's a new brand new one. I've got a spare one, gear reduction one. I'm running on my LS. So I've got to take the old one off, see how much it's clocked. I don't know if you've seen these, that you clock them. So I'll take the old one off and then fit that one on, and then get the other one reconditioned. I think it's just the solenoid that's gone. I'll just hope my friend who reconditions them can put my new solenoid on. So that's the plan, because I'm out Sunday, so swapping starter motor time, lying on my back in the cold. That's why I'm all wrapped up. So if you can see I've got some lights up there, so that's where the start motor is, which is covered in crap, which is probably why it's not working, which failed. So I'll take that one out and then swap it, and then get this one reconditioned. I think this one's been in 2 years since I put the LS on, or something like that. So, right. So I've got the old one off, and as I'll show you here, so that is the old one. I've just cleaned it up with the wire wheel. That's the old one, that's the new one. But if you look at how much it's clocked, so like there's a little mark there, which I've obviously got to move that arrow around to clock it. And I think it's allowed to it move away from either the block or the exhaust. I can't remember which one it was touching last time, so I had to clock it. So I've just got to clock that in the right position now. So now hopefully you can see they're both clocked roughly in the same place. So hopefully that new one now should go straight on. Right, new ones on. Obviously it looks a bit cleaner. I just copper slip the terminals so they don't get awkward to undo when you want to take them off. Or yeah, let's see if it turns it over. Because the other one, when it was just clicking, obviously. Let's turn compressors off, I think. Don't need the air compressor running. Come on, it's cold. I know you don't like the cold. Again now it's thingy, but I think that's the jobby.